Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde, who has been unwell for the last couple of days, visited Jupiter Hospital today. In fact, as far as the information is concerned, he had visited there for a routine checkup. Family members of Shinde mentioned that he was there because he's been unwell for quite a few days and was there at Jupiter Hospital as a part of the routine medical checkup. In fact, before leaving from his residence, he told the reporters present that he was fine. In fact, even after leaving, it took him approximately an hour and a half of the checkup at his hospital. There were some tests that were undertaken by the doctors at Jupiter Hospital to check about what was wrong with Eknath Shinde. And following, after leaving from there, he said that he was fine and he would soon resume work. He also mentioned it was part of the routine checkup that he visited the hospital. Over the last couple of days, Eknath Shinde has cancelled several of his meetings. In fact, doctors who visited his residence over the last couple of days said he was undergoing fever. In fact, Eknath Shinde also happened to mention that as a part of the last couple of weeks, because of a heavy work routine where he was unwell, he was suffering from cold and fever. It was viral infection. In fact, even just after returning from Delhi, he also rushed to Satara, wherein he said that because he was unwell, he needed to recuperate for some time, and which is why he was heading to his native place, Satara. However, he returned back on Sunday. While returning from there, he took a presser at Satara on Sunday, stating that the chief minister's decision of the position would be taken by Home Minister as well as Prime Minister. And he also said that there was no demands when it comes to Shiv Sena for any of this position. He also said the decision for this chair is resting on them, and he's on their hand, and he's not a hindrance in this position. Clearly, there has been a buzz over the last couple of days that that Shiv Sena has demanded the home ministerial position and the urban development. But BJP sources confirmed that they would not want to offer that seat to him because they would want to keep the home ministry portfolio with them. In return, he was being given revenue, PWD as well as a power. But clearly, what we hear from our sources is that Eknath Shinde has been firm on the fact that he would want the home ministry portfolio. There was also a speculation that the deputy chief minister position that will be given to Shiv Sena would be given to Eknath Shinde's son, that is Shrikant Shinde. But Shrikant Shinde has taken to social media and also has refuted any of such claims. In fact, he said that he was being offered a position at the central level, a ministerial position, but he did not take it up just because he wanted to focus on building the party from ground level. So all of these have been clarifications that have come in. However, when it comes to the home ministerial portfolio, there have been several speculations that Eknath Shinde is keen on that position because in the previous government, that's Mahayuti 1.0, it was the deputy chief minister position and the home ministry that was with Devendra Fadnavis, who was from BJP. Similarly, NCP was holding the deputy chief minister position and the position of finance minister, that was with Ajit Pawar, and Eknath Shinde had the CM portfolio. Now, after the discussion at Delhi, it's clarified that the BJP will get chief minister position and deputy chief minister position will be given to both the alliance partners, and which is where Eknath Shinde has been demanding for home portfolio. In fact, BJP sources also mentioned that there's a possibility that in order to ensure that Eknath Shinde is on the same page, they could give him an urban development portfolio but not the home ministry portfolio. So all of this is under discussions because so far dates for oath taking have been announced for 5th of December, but so far the CM phase has not been announced. This is a reason that the opposition is questioning, saying that how is it that despite it's been 12 days since the announcement of results, there's no decision on the chief ministerial phase. Also, apart from that, the opposition has also questioned the stance of Eknath Shinde, saying he'd want the position of chief minister, but that is also not being given to him. So yes, the delay in oath taking is something that's being questioned by several opposition leaders. But apart from that, we also see how BJP central leadership will be in Mumbai for the next couple of days. Today, we see Vijay Rupani coming in. Apart from that, Nirmala Sitharaman would be in Mumbai tomorrow. This central leadership would have a meeting with several BJP leaders and their alliance partners as well. When it comes to the BJP leaders, tomorrow a meeting will be held tomorrow to decide BJP's legislative leadership, wherein possibly Devendra Fadnavis will be unanimously elected as the legislative leader who will take all the decisions. Of course, sources have indicated that it will be Devendra Fadnavis who could be the chief ministerial phase, but an official announcement is yet to be made. However, apart from the BJP leadership, the central leadership will also meet Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar and also try to pacify Eknath Shinde and get them on the same terms, because as of now, of course, Eknath Shinde is one of the key leaders and it will be important to have him in Mahayuti with the upcoming BMC elections around the corner, because he clearly, as right now, has that Marathi Manos voter base, which was with Shiv Sena, and Shiv Sena has been a party which has had key leadership and has had dominance over BMC for the last 25 years.